Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi Note 10, and today I'll show you how to transfer files from your SD card to the device or vice versa. So to get started, you want to open up the File Manager application and then navigate to your category folders right here, where you'll have your SD card and your storage of the device. So I'm going to start off with the phone storage. So there we go, it's actually right below here, internal shared storage. You can also tap on it to change it to SD card if I wanted to. But anyway, let's go over the couple different folders that are located in here that I would consider to be important. And one of them would be the DCIM folder, which will contain pictures, videos and screenshots that I have captured on the device. So you can see a bunch of photos in here, some screen recording, and screenshots are empty. Then if we go back, we also have the downloads folder, which will contain anything that you have downloaded from, well, on your device from like a web browser or anything like that. Now that this will also include pictures if you're wondering. And then if we go back out, okay, then we realize that there's nothing else worth mentioning here. So majority of those other folders will be primarily empty, devoid of actual content that is worth your time. Most of the time, when you download some kind of applications from Play Store, some of them might save to a specific folder, some of them will create their own, so I kind of wanted just to mention the folders that are always a constant, that they don't change, and everybody will find those files in the same place. So anyway, once you find your files, which I'm going to be using pictures as an example, once you find your files, you want to select them, and as you can see, you have a little circle next to all the files right here. So simply click on the circle and this will select your file, and you can click on more. You can tap right here to select basically everything that is in this directory. So as you can see, everything just got selected. Or yeah, so once you have selected your files, choose one of the two options. You can move it, or if you tap on more, copy it. There we go. Now if you choose to copy, it will duplicate those files and keep the original ones where they are right now, while moving them will completely remove them from where they are right now and move them to a new location. So choose whichever option you want. I'm going to go with move, and from here it will show you this little options right here, so you can select where you want to move them. You can move them somewhere else on the storage that they are already located at, so the shared storage. You could move them to a completely different one like SD card, or you could also move them to your Google Drive if you wanted to, but I'm not gonna go over that. I'm just gonna move it to SD card. And once you select the storage where you want to move them, this is the SD card, as you can see right at the top, even though it looks the same. So all I would need to do is either move it right over here, which will paste those pictures right here between the folders, or I could navigate into a folder and then drop it inside of it like this. And there we go. So as you can see, we are still on the SD card. If I go to DCIM, there it is. And if I would go back to the actual storage right here, those pictures would be gone. So you can kind of see that the plant pictures are gone. But yeah, anyway, this is how you would move any kind of file from one location to another. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.